If you edit videos, you know how long music and sound design can really take. We spend hours in searching for the perfect music and sound effects, and then save them in our local drive so that we don't lose them. And organizing each SFX while downloading is such a pain every time. And even after that, we have to sync every sound effects and music manually, which is such a time-consuming task. But what if I tell you there's an AI audio assistant that watches your video, builds the soundtrack, and gives you editable clips instead of a single one-and-done file? I think that would be so helpful, because it can automatically add sound effects and music just by analyzing the visuals. And that's not it. You can control the type of music and sound effects with just a single prompt, which gives you total control over your video. And the best part is, it adds the clips in the timeline so that you can move, edit, slice, fade, and adjust multiple properties, which gives you full flexibility. The name of this tool is Ace Studio, and you can download it by using the link in the description. So, let's see how you can also use this tool to speed up your workflow. After opening this tool, you will land on a screen something like this. This thing which you are seeing right now is similar to timelines, also known as canvas. To start a new project, just drag and drop the video footage onto the canvas to create a video track. Or, you can go to File, then Import, then choose Audio or Video and browse your file to import it. And now you can see it's added into the canvas. While it's uploading the video for analysis visuals, let's see how to do basic functions in it. So first, if your canvas is looking like this and you want to see the video, then just double-click on the clip and it will be visible. If you want to zoom in and out in the canvas, just simply go to the point where you want to zoom and click and hold the mouse, and then drag in towards bottom, and it will zoom in the canvas. And if you move it upwards, then it will shrink it down. If you want to move the canvas, then just hold Shift and use scroll wheel up and down. If you right-click on the clip, you can see multiple properties like detaching the audio from the clip, replacing the video with another one, deleting the video, and selecting the whole clip. Now let's see the main feature of this tool. So in the top right corner, we have an AI agent, which analyzes your video frame by frame and scene by scene. Then it plans and generates matching soundtracks or sound effects as editable clips on the timeline. So, if you want to add sound effects, then choose SFX for video. And if you want to add music, then choose Music for video. Now you have to describe the type of music you need in your video. Like in this scene, I want to add some horror elements into it. So I will type, and then send this prompt. And now it takes a couple of minutes to analyze the video. If you don't get the perfect result in first go, then try to type a detailed prompt like the type of music you need, the instrument you prefer, the mood and BPM, and this can get the job done. And now you can see our music track is ready, and let's play to see it. It actually feels like a horror scene, but I want to take it to the next level. So I'm going to use SFX for video and type distant child crying in a dark, empty environment, echoing softly, slow and irregular sobbing. If you also give detailed your prompt like this, I'm sure you will get accurate results in one go. And because it watched the whole video, it detects the change in scene, so it places the music and sound effects accordingly, which is the best thing about this tool. And this is the result we got. You can also fade in and out the sound effects. And to do it, just place your mouse on this tiny dot and wait for it to become white. And now drag it like this, and it will create a curve. To make this fade more realistic, they have given two handles which you can use to smoothen the audio curve. And you can use it to transition songs between one scene to another. And judging by the waveform, I'm going to reduce their volume a bit so that it doesn't seem abnormal. So I will just double-click on this sound effects and use this slider to adjust its volume. Now let's see how we can add SFX or music on some specific part of video. So, I have imported a new video, and in one segment of this video here, we have a person walking, and I want to just add the sound effects for this part of the video. So what I'm going to do is select the area on which I want something to add like this, and it will only add music or sound effects between this time frame. If you want to make selection more precisely, then just increase this factor, and you will start to see more depth in timeline, making it easier to make accurate selection. Now, start a new season by pressing this add icon, and this will start a fresh chat and think from scratch to avoid mismatching between previous prompts. And if you want to switch to previous chats, then click this icon, and here you can see the full history, and you can continue your prompts where you left it. Now, I will type the prompt here. You can see it has added multiple sound effects. I think we have to add some more elements, so I want to add a different music for this part. So first, I will highlight this area, and then click on the first icon. And now you have to choose the type of music you are looking for. For me, I don't need any vocals, so I'm going to choose instrumental. And now I will type the prompt and hit generate. And this will apply the music for this area. And if you add the sound effects, they use this second button and type your prompt here. And this could be really useful where you are looking for a really specific sound effects. And we know the struggle to browse multiple websites just to reach what we are looking for. But here you can create them using prompt. I've sound designed this entire scene using only this tool. So let's take a look at it. I think it has done a great job matching the visuals with music. Now let's see. It's another great feature called Stem Splitter. So I will select the music track which we have generated before and right-click. Go to the AI tools and choose Stem Splitter. And here, select Advanced Options. Then hit Split. And basically what it does is split the music track into various instruments which are used to create it. This is a cool feature if you want to remove vocals or any extra element from it. So now it completely depends you how you use this in your workflow. Honestly, Ace Studio is a great place to start sound design with because it instantly gives you a path to follow, just by using the prompt and picking the right path. In the beginning is the most crucial step which needs a lot of time and thinking. I hope you enjoyed this tool, and if you want to check it out, then visit Ace Studio from the link in the description.